So students, welcome to the channel. We are here in Katlapur now. So we are here for SGF tournament under 14 boys and girls Kho matches. So we can see in my back the courts are ready. Two courts are there in total. You can see them briefly. There are two courts. So one will be for boys and one will be for girls. There you go. And then the remaining ceremony celebrations will be conducted here as well. And so as of now, let's meet our Jagityal team. You can see here, this is Jagityal team. The room is provided to Jagityal team players, boys and girls. And so let's meet Jagityal team captain now. Come. So this is Jagityal team captain. What is your name?
Srivatsava.
This is Srivatsava. And which school you are?
In Sri Chaitanya School.
Sri Chaitanya school. So the captain of Jagityal team, right? And next come. So that is it from Srivastava. And this is, what is your name? This is Neeraj. Which school? KPS, okay. Which class you are? 9th class, okay. All the way, Neeraj, okay. And let's meet the other player. Come. Yes, introduce yourself. What is your name? Please tell. Nani. This is Narendra actually. And what is your school name? The Saraswati Sishu Mandir it is. And okay, what is your class? 6th class, okay. All the best for your games. So that is it from Narendra. And next come. Let's meet the other player. What is your name? Sai Charan. Hello Sai Charan. Which school? ZPHS Konapur. Okay, nice to meet you Sai Charan. All the best. Next come. Hello. What is your name? It is Bhuvan Teja now. Which school? Sishu Mandir. Okay, all the best. Okay. Right. So let's meet the next player. What is your name? So this is Gangadhar. Which school? Sri Saraswati Sishu Mandir. Okay, all the best. Okay. Okay. So let's meet the next player now. What is your name? Siddhartha. Which school?
ZPHS High School.
ZPHS where?
Konapur.
So ZPHS Konapur. Okay. Nice to meet you. All the best. Okay. So this is the other player. Hello. What is your name? Anvesh. Which school? Vidyapur camp. Okay. All the best, Anvesh. Okay. So the other Jagityal team player is going to come now. I'll introduce him as well. So until then, so you have meet those players, right? Those are really talented players. Okay. The other player is Kim. Hello. So what is your name? Dhanush. Hello Dhanush. Which school? So he's from Vallampelli. Very talented, right? So all the best for your game. Okay. That's it from the boys team. And let's meet the girls team now. Okay. So let's meet our Jagityal district girls team. So this is, what is your name? This is Satvika from which school?
ZPHS Bhushan Rathod.
ZPHS Bhushan Rathod. Nice. Don't hold the hand. Okay. We Tiger. Okay. What is your name?
Lasya.
M. Lasya from which school?
ZPHS Bhushan Rathod.
Okay. That's nice. What is your name?
J. Rajeshwar.
Rajeshwari. Which school?
ZPHS Bhushan Rathod.
Thank you. So you are?
CH Amulya.
CH Amulya. Which school?
ZPHS Bhushan Rathod.
So these four players are from Bhushan Rathod. Nice. And you? Ritvika from which school?
Sarki Sarang.
So she is from Sarangapur. That is nice. And you? Araksha. Which school? ZPHS Bhushan Rathod. Total 5 players are here. So Bhushan Rathod is very talented. It looks like, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So all the best, girls. So you should win the cup for Jagityal team. Alright. So then select for the state Karimnagar district. Okay. Yeah. Can you do that? Yes. Okay. Let's meet the other players. Come. So this is Captain Hema from where? She is from Jagityal team, from Korutla actually, and she is 6th class only, right? 7th class. She is just 6th class and she is the captain of Korutla team. Sorry, and Korutla team she won the cup and now she is leading the Jagityal district team. Is it right? So she is the main player here and she is the star for the team. So she is everything for the team actually. She can single-handedly win every match here. So I am looking forward to watch her in the match as well as you do. This is the other player. What is your name?
Neva.
She is Uneba from Korutla as well. Okay. She is from Basri actually. She will play really good. So let's meet the other player. What is your name? This is Aisha from which class? 7th class, Gout High School, Korutla. So all the best for your game, okay? So let's meet the other player. What is your name? She is Srija. Which class? 8th class. Which school? So she's also from Bhushan Ropet. Total 5 players I think from Bhushan Ropet. Very talented school and very talented players. So all the best for you guys, okay? Yes, thank you. So let's meet the other players. So what is your name?
Ritika.
She is Ritika from which school? JPH is Belula. Okay, nice to meet you. So what is your name? She is Shivani, which school? She is also from JPH is Belula. So what is your name? Meghana, which school? So these 3 players are from JPH is Belula and remaining players will be coming. So as of now, these are the players. Okay. So all the best for the game. Okay. So that's it. Yes. Right. So students, as you can see, this is all set now in this ground, and this is written by the students. I think this is I love Coco. You know, the passion for the game is here. This is why they written in these big words here. So as well as the court, you can see it so clean, and the poles as well. And whoever going to dive here, it will be looking like a cinematic experience, as you can see in this camera and in this video as well. So that is the stage ceremony, and that is for the guests who will be sitting there and watching those games, and the players will be here playing the game. And this is the first court, and I'll see you the next court as well for the other team. So this is the other court, so you can see as well here. So these are the poles. So you can see the poles. This is for girls team. As you can see, clean as butter. And so the players will be warming up here, so in this court, and everything arrangements are good. So the players as well, and these are the students who worked hard to make these 2 courts. So let's meet these students. You are all players, right? Isn't it? So that's why you know all the rules how to make the court, isn't it? Yes. So let's meet these students. So what is your name? Siddhartha, which class? 10th class. Nice. You? Deepak, which class? 10th class. Good. What is your name? So which class?
10th class.
Nice. You?
Shashank,
Okay. Which class?
10th class.
10th class. You? Okay. Nice. Which class?
10th.
Good. You?
Arshit.
Which class?
10th.
Nice. You?
G.
What?
Manikanta,
Manikanta. Which class?
10th class.
Good. You?
Ramcharan.
Ramcharan. Nice. What is your class?
9th.
9th. Really good. You?
Ganesh.
Ganesh. Nice to meet you, Ganesh. Which class you are? 9th itself. That's good. You?
Rishik,
Ajit.
Rishik,
Rishik. Nice. Rishik. Which class?
10th.
Nice to meet you. And you? Satvik. Which class?
9th.
Good. You?
Shashank,
So say loudly.
Shashank,
Shashank it is. Which class?
9th class.
9th class. Good. You?
Srijan.
Srujan. Which class?
9th.
9th. Nice. You? Lakshman. Lakshman, right? Nice to meet you, Lakshman. Which class you are? 9th class. So that is it, right? All the players, all the students. You all play Coco, Kabaddi, something, cricket. So no, all you are sportsmen. You play chess, you play badminton, isn't it? So you all are fit. So you do the warm-ups, workouts, and everything. You will be fit, right? You are fit, and make sure you will train the other students also, so they will become like you. Okay, isn't it right? So bye. Yes, that's it from the students who made these courts looking and the ground looking so beautiful. And you can see the arrangements as well. The players are taking a look of the ground now, and so does the other teams going to come now. So these are the rooms given for the players to put their belongings safely, so that they are going to come from very long distances from Sirsilla, and you can see the Peddapalli, that is from Karimnagar, Rajanna Sirsilla, and that's Jagichal. So these are the teams going to participate in this tournament, and from these 4 teams, this is a joint districts tournament, and from this the players will be selected for the Karimnagar district to the state level championship. So thanks to all, and you can see the arrangements here. It is all prepared well. So when the ceremony is started, the ribbon will be cut and the matches will going to start now. So that's it from the court reporting. Okay, so let's meet in the game.